Everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: how to write a sales email, sales email experience that work. Email experience is have your right profile sales email. You just receive a fresh letter for marketing. It's time for to send compelling sales email, but do you have effect start conflicts? Your start will result in closing the deals. After all, average receipt get nearly 1,115 emails a day deleted. Choose half theme. It won't make sales. Your email needed start out from the back. With the right sales email explained, it's your starting point. You get gift card message nearly attention. Good change landing sale. How to write the profit sale email. Second sale email explain how to write a sale email that stand out. Key complaints: the best sales emails. Write ending subject line, make opening line. How to write a sales 101% tutorial body language. Your audience are talking about useful individual a clear call action and next step. Send the email in right time. Write engineering subject line. Near half email receipt opening the email basics falls on subject person basic space point receipt. The best sale email focused on the customer time needed that planning process. Very inspection message from subject CTA. Subject line improvement basic. It's first that's why people we then opening email set currency customer experience access SMB accounted access. Make source subject is visible desktop and mobile. It's also help enter person name short quick ideas something especially needed if you connection with passport check you code something line a person said make opening line. Now correct your email subject line. Many got pass future door but your opening line needed recept keep reading. Type of opening line such as are word post access company product launch. We are also tutorial opening line refreshing recept new rules reset action sharing contact have you are to goal personal just but escape genuine high to name is intro watch waiter customer the reader make the email possible do research about the personal look line website and try to add on these Howard said Copta or not personal that's personal to company your material. These funded and comment article read it theme something that notes took about Gmail tutorial the body language after study between 5 and 125 words the best response rate at above 50%. However, more recent refreshed foundation sales email regular 300 words how to so much better response rating and 100% worth. It's legal dependent receipt. It showed cold email busy exchange. A talking about useful. An email receipt went now. What can do theme not about wonderful. Your company refresh it. Content website social media. Learn everything. Individual clear all action and next step. Don't mistake regular guys and not event personal demo account. Send the email at right time. Timing everything is come. Sales email accounted. Look for key moment like when to company funding its fall. Require other company hears leadership changing. New product or personal use implement. Go to promote said. Go part 6 winning is compelling sales email done right. Sales email explain hashtag 1 in experiment 1000 cold email receipt short subject line win. The average offer work receive hand stack emails that save email subject customize email its grog opening share line and contact you are just Instagram product marketing manager program exchange get to response I buy busy exchange first the generation address 100,000 experience America and with USA is UK from the subject line you are increase is the best the two step and subject line quick 1.5% seconds question and refreshing what is effective sales email expense has two prices reader internet which increase question the best sales email subject line agreement also company something a quick crypto.com is track the B2B leg and generation business to business received thousands of emails. He is experiment the center user subject line. How do you name and employers rating and reviews? Sales email experiment hashtag 3 introduction retail rating along subject the opening is sales comfortable the best sales of email response speaker direction the email experiment feature brand improvements in digital line so direct trade thanks the email temporary drive reply increase from 8%. What is effect? Says email effect. What is a temporary sales email explain hash 5 jack sales email generation 12k a good rules of term sales above. Thanks for watching. Like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.